Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Haider Azam. Belonging to CAD competitors, our team members have designed the model of a repeatable vehicle as it was assigned to us in Abul Kalam Design Challenge 2021. The principal features of our device includes working mechanism. The basic working mechanism of our device is based on a DC motor, which rotates in counterclockwise direction during the forward motion of our vehicle, while the rotation of the DC motor reverses its direction in the reverse motion of our vehicle. And this was done by a DP-DT switch as it was installed in front of our vehicle. Second one, the ability to measure range of every distance. The ability to measure range of every distance. Our device is having the capability to measure the range of every distance mechanically as we have installed the string mechanism. Although there were some other mechanisms like rack and pin and one, our team members have a thought process on them, but they were refused to take and they were selected the string mechanism. The ability to stop at starter point. Our device is capable to stop at the starter point from where it starts at the first moment. As the string is connected at the front pulley as a one point while its other point was connected to the motor, and whole of the string is wounded on the motor. During the forward direction, this string starts wounding on the pulley while unwounding from the motor, and during reverse direction, the mechanism was again reversed. Then the low cost of our device. We have used cheap components which are also replaceable parts, making our device efficient. The engineering science. The engineering science behind our device includes the basic laws of physics. Law of conservation of momentum is one of them. The overall momentum of our device remains conserved during and after and before the collision. Hooke's law. Hooke's law is obeyed. Basically, when our spring is get compressed upon collision, the energy is stored as the elastic potential energy of this spring, which is then on recoiling appears as the kinetic energy of the system. Newton's impact law. Newton's impact law is related to the collision theory. On collision, Newton's impact law gives the elasticity value to be 1 in our case. Hence, it means that kinetic energy is also conserved in this case. Now, Newton's laws of motion. Newton's first law of motion is basically held at the start point and the stop point, as it says that no body at rest can start moving, and no body moving with constant velocity could be stopped without any external force. That external force is basically the power of the motor, which is operated with the battery at the start point, and while during stopping of the vehicle, it is the stopping potential of the string mechanism. Work energy principle. Work energy principle states that the change in kinetic energy is equal to work done. Is equal to work done. It means that the work that has been generated by the motor appears as the change in kinetic energy of our vehicle driving our vehicle in the forward direction. Law of conservation of energy. Law of conservation of energy basically has two parts: law of conservation of kinetic energy and law of conservation of potential energy. Law of conservation of kinetic energy is already proved in the case of impact law. Steps of designing. Now, our team members go through many steps during the design of our model. First of them is visualization. After them, our team members go through mind mapping and initial design of our device. After that, a handmade sketch was created by each member, and then it was finalized to be created in 2D design in AutoCAD application. Finally, 3D design in AutoCAD was prepared. That's all from my side. Over to Haris.
Material selection. Material selection is based on availability of material, cost, and quality. First, we have main body of vehicle, which is made up of hard plywood. Next, there is axle, which is made up of stainless steel. which is corrosion resistant. Then there is tire, which is found by rubber, which is easily available. Then the spring, which is made up of American Iron Steel Institute of Type 302, which is also corrosion resistant with higher strength due to addition of carbon. Lastly, we use screws and glues for the purpose of fasteners and adhesive, which has excellent cohesive strength. Now it is over, Asad Khan.
Okay, I explain it. Design assembly. The design assembly of our device is shown here. First of all, a datum pointer is fixed at the back of our device. Also here, an on-off switch is fixed at the rear of the device to control the device. The basic mechanism of motor operated with a battery is installed on the system. Here it is shown a nylon thread which is wounding on the pulley during the forward direction. A gear set is operating on the axle and the motor to control the gear ratio of the vehicle. In front, here it is a DP-DT switch inside a spring to change over the state of the DC motor. That's all from my side. Over to Saad Said.
Cost analysis. Due to COVID-19, we check the prices of the components online. So for this purpose, we visit different websites to check the prices of the components. We prefer the prices of the components which are cheap and the components are of good quality. Following are the components used in our vehicle: spring, DP-DT switch, axle, wheel, nylon thread, motor, gearbox, battery, on-off switch, plywood. The total cost of our components is 6,395 rupees, which is equal to 29.36 pounds, which is in our requirement range. At last, I conclude that we use basic engineering knowledge to design our vehicle. Our vehicle is cheap, safe, and also efficient. Hope so you enjoy our presentation. At last, if you have any query regarding our presentation or design, you can ask us in our next session, question answer session. Thank you.